Hi everybody, we're members of the Studio X staff. I'm Liam.
I'm Hao Chen.
I'm Tamita.
And we're going to be unboxing the MetaQuestPro today.
This is so cool, man.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay, first off, Liam, smell test.
Smells very new.
Just to confirm.
What is it?
Yeah, this is crazy.
Good leather. We have the left and right controllers. Over here, we have the headset itself. Oh, this is a
Cool, like the charger.
This is a charging port or a hub thingy. Yeah.
Side blind.
The side blinders, charging brick, charging cords.
There's also a protective cover.
Top-down view. Or now trash. Mercy.
Headset itself. Let me take this paper out here.
More sleek than the old controllers.
And they're black.
And
Usually
they're black, yeah.
Yeah, black usually means they're pro.
It looks low-key like a Hololens.
You can really get a good look at these new pancake lenses. Yeah, the overall form of the headset seems a lot more well-balanced, a lot more split between the front and the back, whereas the Quest 2 was a lot more front-heavy.
Alright.
Wait, is that how you put on a headset with a cap? How does it
Looking
feel?
good.
Is it heavier than the normal headset?
No, it actually feels lighter.
A lighter?
One thing I noticed about the Quest Pro is that the old ones use like the headset itself and the strap you can kind of rotate to help you put it on. But for the Quest Pros, you cannot
doesn't
rotate
yeah.
the strap anymore, so you can kind of just have to loosen the entire thing and then just put it straight down from the top of your head,
Do I turn this
and
on?
then rotate it down in the back. The power button should
It's on the, I believe it's on the bottom left-hand side of the.
But this is beautiful, guys. This is
Really nice.
You can also see these blinders that came included with it. Here we go. That
Okay.
magnet clip right in there
fancy.
to provide a bit more protection from the light.
Makes it more immersive, right?
Yeah. There's also this wheel in the front, makes the head rest move in and out a
Oh.
bit
That's new.
to give you some more space. That is new. I believe this also has 5 cameras on the front as opposed to the 4 that were on the Quest 2. So you've got 2 here, 1 in the center, and then 1 on each side, along with the new cameras added to the controllers.
Do you have any idea how those cameras improve your overall experience?
Yeah, I think in general they're meant to improve tracking overall. So especially for the controllers, the Quest 2 had a problem with not really being able to see the controllers if it went behind your back or out of view of the headset. So I think that's meant to help mitigate that. Yeah, having it on my head, it feels a lot more comfortable. Overall, lighter than the Quest 2.
Light?
The light is blue, so it's cool.
I also think another key difference for these controllers is that they don't take batteries anymore. Got charging ports on the side. We can use that plate right there to charge the controllers directly.
For the headset itself, I believe there's still a Type-C port on the headset itself, so it's easier for you to charge. You look very cool with the headset, Liam.
Thank you.
All right, how's the experience?
Pretty great so far. It's asked me to set up some of the controllers and just kind of going through the base setup.
They will be available for people to come try out sometime in the future, and we will definitely let you guys know. And that's all for this unboxing video.
Until then, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.